Hey guys, it's Vero Louie and we are back with another video. Today's video is going to be a travel video. I am planning to go on an 18-day trip through Europe. Wish me luck because I haven't traveled to Europe in a long time. It's been 5 years and I haven't traveled during COVID, so I have no idea what this trip is going to be like. And I'm literally trying to squeeze all my items into this luggage right here. I will post the dimensions of this suitcase right here for you. If I can find it on Amazon, I'll post it in the description box. I did buy this one at Target, but if I can't, I'll post the link to the luggage anyways. And hopefully all my items fit because I have a stack of clothes right here. And if you guys have some questions, go ahead and ask them in the comment box because I will be vlogging this as I go and posting so I can answer questions if you have any. All right, so let's get this video started. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So this is the suitcase that I'm going to be using, and I went with a hard-covered case, and it's set for a 1 to 5 day trip. However, I'm going to try to fit all of that into here. So, and this is what it looks like. It comes with a USB port, which I think is super cool, but there is a code pad and I will set a passcode for it that only I know, so no one will be able to enter in here. And if you look over here, it has the instructions. So if you are thinking about getting this suitcase, I'll post the instructions for you right here. And it says, opening your luggage, set the combination to 000, slide the lock to the right, which right here, and then it pops open like that. And the instructions set your own code are inside this thing. I'm not gonna lie, Europe is great, but from my experience, there's a lot of pickpocketers and I wanted to be prepared. Luggage is designed for modern adventure seekers. Yes, I am one. Durable exterior, lightweight, 100% polycarbonate shell. And the shell doesn't feel heavy. Now, I'm not being sponsored by them. I just got it because I thought this one was a cool one. Whether or not this is a good suitcase, I will let you know. I will be taking it on a few trips. Rugged and reliable, 360 spinner wheels. So 10-year limited warranty. And then it has a heavy duty industry yielding zipper renowned for durability. And 365-day happiness guaranteed, hassle-free returns within 1 year with receipt. So let's go ahead and go inside so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, guys, so I went ahead and grabbed my power bank just to give you guys an example. Now, I will post some links of power banks in the description box if you are interested in getting your own. There's so many different kinds. A power bank is just a portable battery storage, and it has some USB ports. Some power banks have flashlights in them. Other power banks have more USB ports. So this is what I will be taking with me as I travel throughout Europe. Just gonna plug that in. And this is what connects it to here. So we're gonna put that here. And I like that there's a little pocket here. So what I'm going to do is put my charger, my multicultural charger here. If you guys are traveling for the first time, make sure you get one of these because each country has a different style port and you want to make sure you have an adapter that's able to adapt into the wall. Make sure you grab one of these. I'm going to put this in there and I'm also going to put this in there so that way I can be 100% backed up and not worried about my gadgets. So put that in there. Just for kicks and giggles, I'm going to be testing it out on my phone as it's recording with you guys. And I went ahead and got myself a multifunctional power cord, which has 2 heads, so I'm not carrying around multiple chargers. I want to be quick, easy, efficient, and lightweight. And as you can see, it is working. I love when things work the way they're intended. This is my backup phone for affirmations. If you guys want an affirmations video for success, manifesting, love, self-love, healing, travel, let me know because I will give you guys that. But for now, I'm gonna put this away. Okay, so I like to make sure I'm honest in all my videos, so I'm going to give you guys a pro and a con that I've noticed so far just by using this. I do like that this is right here. However, just for functionality. I wish the zipper was a little bit longer because it took me about 10 minutes to get this out of here. I'm on my way out of Target so it helps you organize clothing and accessories so they're easy to find and take up less space. So I'm all about maximizing my space, so hopefully this helps me pack more effectively in here instead of packing a bunch of random stuff and making it look messy, because I'm not about that life. And then this is a waterproof anti-theft clench backpack. Now, I don't know what I'm going to be doing, whether I will be walking in snow or if I will be doing water sport activities or something, who knows. So I thought I would grab this as well. That way I can travel and not worry about pickpocketers. So like I said, a huge thing in Europe are pickpocketers, and you don't want to be walking with your personal items and having somebody go ahead and steal it. So this is the bag, and you can put some undergarments here or socks. And then it has another little section right here with a clip for clothes, and this is where my chargers are going to be. So I will put that other charger back in here so I don't misplace it. My USB goes and connects right here, and I'll put that in here. So this is my little tech corner. I'll also probably be bringing my GoPro, so I'll put the GoPro right there so I have it as well, so I can film more things. Yeah, so this is the inside. Our open story luggage is covered by an over 10-year limited warranty, which starts at your 365-day happiness. This warranty covers manufacturing defects in material or workmanship, but it does not cover normal wear and tear. Wear and tear are that which naturally and evidently occurs as a result of normal use. Colored fading, degradation, abrasion, rips, tears, general breakdowns of materials over the year are considered wear and tear. Should your luggage become openable due to a defect in the material or workmanship, we will repair and replace it at our discretion. This limited warranty is non-transferable and is provided to the owner original purchase with proof of purchase. For warranty service, please contact our customer service department at 1-800-856-9119. And in the event damages are caused by common carrier, you should claim such damages directly with the common carrier. So the airline. So if you're flying with United, you're gonna go ahead and contact United and say, hey, yeah, you damaged my item. So they would be the ones to take care of that. All right, so let's go on to the fun stuff. Inside here is the instructions to set your code and the USB charging, and has this information. Pause, take what you need. Pause and take what you need. Oh, I should move my finger. Pause and take what you need. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack, and then I will be setting my code off camera. However, just so you guys have that if you plan on getting this item. So there's 2 pockets right here, which is nice. I can put jewelry in here. I can put something else in here. And down here. And this is the laundry bag, which just says laundry. And so when I am done and need to wash my clothes, I will simply just put them in here. So that is it for the luggage. Let me know if you guys like this. I will be showing you guys throughout my trip how I use it, and I will go ahead and give you guys my honest feedback after my trip, so then I can give you a more well-rounded perspective instead of just purchasing. But this is what I got, and I hope it fits all my items. So let's go ahead and get that part of the video started. So if you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. The fashion portion will be in a part 2 to this video, so go ahead and make sure you don't miss out. Hey guys, so I hope you guys liked this video and you found some value from it. I will get ready to do the fashion portion of it. So if you did like this product review, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you push that bell notification because this week is gonna be a fun travel week. And make sure you comment down below. Comment some questions. Questions. I love answering all your questions. Okay. So see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, as far as price goes, I'm gonna go ahead and post the information for price right over here. And if I can find this item on Amazon, I will post it down in the description box. Otherwise, you will have to go to Target to go ahead and get that item.